Welcome to our analysis of the rapidly shifting AI market landscape. Over the past year, we've witnessed significant changes in the generative AI space, with Google Gemini making remarkable gains while ChatGPT's dominance shows signs of erosion. According to similar web data, Gemini has doubled its market share from 6.4% to 12.9%, marking the most significant growth trajectory among major AI platforms. Meanwhile, ChatGPT, which held an overwhelming 87.1% of generative AI traffic just 12 months ago, has seen its share drop to 74.1%, a loss of nearly 13 percentage points. The broader context reveals an increasingly fragmented market, with over 10,500 AI tools and explosive 123% year-over-year growth, creating both challenges and opportunities across the ecosystem. Market share evolution. Let's examine the market share evolution in detail. The data reveals a dramatic redistribution of user traffic across the major AI platforms. ChatGPT, while still the clear market leader with an estimated 700 to 800 million weekly users, has experienced a notable decline from its dominant position. The 13 percentage point drop represents significant market share shifting to competitors. Gemini's growth is particularly impressive, doubling its market presence in just 12 months. But the story doesn't end with these two giants. We're seeing meaningful market share captured by emerging players like Perplexity at 6.6% and Claude at 3.6%. This isn't just a two-horse race anymore. The market is diversifying, and users are exploring alternatives beyond the initial market leaders. The Gemini growth story. Now let's explore what's driving Gemini's remarkable growth. The turning point came in August of 2025 with the launch of Nano Banana, an AI image editing model that became an instant viral sensation. The impact was immediate and substantial. Gemini gained 2.1 percentage points in market share in just 1 month, jumping from 10.8% to 12.9%. This viral moment propelled Gemini to displace ChatGPT as the top free app on the iOS App Store. In the data from App Figures reveals the scale of this disruption. Gemini downloads surged 331% between late July and October, while competing AI image tool Adobe Firefly saw downloads plummet 68% during the same period. In the US market specifically, the contrast was even starker. Gemini experienced an 88% jump in downloads from September to October, while Firefly dropped 82%. This demonstrates how a single viral product feature can dramatically reshape market dynamics almost overnight. Market fragmentation. The competitive landscape extends far beyond the headline battle between Google and OpenAI. We're witnessing significant market fragmentation across multiple dimensions. The broader AI chatbot market processed nearly 100 billion visits across more than 10,500 different AI tools in 2025. The year-over-year growth hitting 123% indicates this market is still in its explosive expansion phase. Venture capitalist Chamath Palihapitiya provides crucial insight here. His analysis suggests this fragmentation actually benefits established tech incumbents over startups, citing their massive distribution as the decisive factor. As Palihapitiya stated, Google has a huge runway ahead of itself as their models and services become better. This perspective challenges the conventional wisdom that startups have the advantage in fast-moving technology markets. This brings us to a critical competitive dynamic, the distribution advantage. Google's integration of Gemini across its ecosystem provides access to billions of users that standalone AI companies simply cannot match. Consider Google's assets: dominant search platform with billions of daily queries, the massive Android ecosystem with millions of pre-installed devices, and an existing user base of over 4.3 billion people across Google services. This creates a powerful synergy. Seamless integration across Gmail, Docs, Drive, and other Google services means users can access AI capabilities within their existing workflows rather than seeking out separate tools. The implications are profound. Incumbents enjoy massive advantages: established user bases, proven distribution channels, cross-platform integration capabilities, brand recognition, and substantial financial resources for research and development. Meanwhile, startups face significant challenges: high customer acquisition costs, limited distribution networks, platform dependency risks, and the constant pressure of competing against integrated ecosystems with virtually unlimited resources. Future projections. Looking ahead, what can we expect from these market dynamics? The trajectory suggests several key trends. Gemini shows the most significant growth momentum among major platforms and appears poised to continue gaining share. ChatGPT's gradual decline from market dominance seems likely to continue, though from a very strong base. The strategic implications are becoming clear. Distribution is emerging as potentially more important than technological differentiation in the long run. Incumbent tech industries with ecosystem advantages appear well positioned for sustained success. As the market matures, we're likely to see increased specialization with AI tools, finding sustainable niches, followed by eventual consolidation as the market reaches greater maturity. Palapatia's analysis seems increasingly prescient. Google has a huge runway ahead of itself as their models and services become better. This distribution-first perspective may ultimately determine the winners in the AI race. In conclusion, several key takeaways emerge from this market analysis. First, Gemini has demonstrated that rapid market share gains are possible, doubling to 12.9% in just 12 months. Second, ChatGPT remains dominant but is clearly facing increased competitive pressure, losing 13 percentage points of market share. The Nano Banana launch showed how viral product features can dramatically change market dynamics almost overnight. And the accelerating market fragmentation with 10,500 plus AI tools creates both challenges and opportunities. The winning strategies appear to be shifting. Distribution is becoming crucial for long-term success. Incumbent tech giants are effectively leveraging their existing ecosystems, while viral moments can create rapid shifts in user adoption. This brings us to our final question. Will distribution advantages ultimately determine the winners in the AI race? The evidence suggests that while innovation creates opportunities, sustainable competitive advantage may indeed come from the ability to reach users at scale through existing platforms and ecosystems.